If you don't want to miss the opportunity of your lip makeup being the absolute best, just watch this lipstick tutorial till the end. First, draw a contour with green liquid lipstick, apply black holographic glitter, and the green one you can easily clean the areas in between because it's a negative space. After that, paint the leaves with the same green liquid lipstick, apply glitter primer, and start applying the holographic black and the green glitter again, keeping the darker one in the bottom for a 3D effect. Safe to recreate when you need it.
If you do this makeup look, it will basically say, I don't know about you, but I cannot wait for spring to come and for the plants to start sprouting out of most unexpected places, even if it's out of my mouth. Oh my god! But even though this look is a little bit spooky, don't be scared just yet, because it's still bright and cheerful. We're adding some shadings and highlights to make the plants more prominent. And of course, if you love insane makeup ideas, follow the Mirror Beauty.
A brief guide on how to create your flower lips. Yes, you can definitely paint it, just a little bit tedious. Sketch out the petals, fill them in partially with purple, add a 3D effect, partially with white and yellow. You'll find the full tutorial, including the tips and tricks for how to create this blending, on my Patreon. Would you do your lip art using this? Negative space hearts lips. First, sketch out the lips and the hearts with white liquid lipstick, and then start applying the colors of the rainbow one by one, blending them together and going around the hearts, but covering the white lines. Blend, blend, blend. While we're doing it, tell me what your favorite color of the rainbow is, and then carve the lips with foundation, and don't forget to follow me for more ideas and tutorials.
If you're on the spookier side, I would love to show you the Spring Bats lip art idea, which is available in my lip art ebook, along with over 100 other ideas that don't have videos. Link in description.